Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? I think you would be fine. And may Allah protect you and keep you safe from this modern disease, coronavirus. So let us come to the point. We were discussing on usulul hadith, principles of hadith, and we are going next type of sanad of hadith. ومن أقسام المنقطع, and one of types of منقطع is المدلس بضم الميم وفتح اللام المشددة مدلس دلس. Okay, مدلس. ويقال لهذا الفعل التدليس, and who do this and who does this deed will be said tadlis, doing tadlis. ولفاعله مدلس بكسر اللام. Okay, and the doer of tadlis is mudallis. وصورته, and its way how a person make tadlis in hadith, and its way is Allah yusammi rawi shaykhahu alladhi sami'ahu minhu bal yarwi amman fawqahu bilafdin yuhimu sima wa la yaqta' kadiban kama yaqulu an fulanin wa qala fulanun. Okay, it means the reporter a reporter will not say that will erase name of his master from which he has listened, from whom he has listened hadith, but he will report the hadith from superior one. Means suppose there is a master of Zaid is Bakar and Bakar's master is Amr. So Zaid is not reporting hadith with Bakar, but Zaid will say Haddasani or Haddasani Amr or An Amara. Okay, so means Zaid missed and erased name of his master Bakar. Okay, so doing such fair deed is called tadlis in hadith. Okay, Allah yusammi rawiyu shaykhahu alladhi sami'ahu minhu bal yarwi amman fawqahu, but he will report the hadith from a person that is above from his master. Beloved Yuhimu Sima, he will report the hadith with a word which will make confused that is he listened from that person or not. As well, for instance, for example, the reporter will say an fulanin, means somebody says, an qala fulanun, somebody said. Okay, what tadlisu fil lughati, and the meaning of tadlis in dictionary means literary meaning of tadlis is kitmanu aibis silati fil bai'i, means hiding badness of goods during purchasing and selling, during transaction. When you are going to sell or you are going to buy something, the seller will hide bad quality of his goods. Okay, so that is tadlis in literary meaning. Okay, so hiding badness of goods during transaction. وقد يقال أنه مشتق من الدلسة, and sometimes it is said tadlis is derived from dalasa, and meaning of dalasa is وهو اختلاط الظلام واشتداده, and that is its meaning is highly darkness. Okay, very darkness. سمي به لاشتراكهما في الخفاء. Tadlis and mudallas, the word mudallas is given for this name. this hadith. Why? Because this hadith in which reporter does not report from his master, but he reports from from a person that is above his master. So this hadith and this kidmanu aibi silati fil bai, both are same in so in complication, means we could not solve that matter easily. There will be some sophistication in the hadith. Okay, means the reporter is reporting from his master or somebody other. Okay. قال الشيخ دهلوي رحمة الله عليه وحكم من ثبت عنه التدليس أنه لا يقبل منه إلا إذا صرح بالتحديث. And Sheikh Dahalwi Rahmatullah says, and hukm of a hadith that hukm of a hadith that a person made tadlis in it. Okay, any mudallas hadith of mudallis will not be accepted until mudallis say haddathani fulanun. If he will use the word haddasa, that time it will be accepted. Otherwise, if he says am fulanin or qala fulanun, so that time it won't be accepted. قال الشمني رحمة الله عليه التدليس حرام عند الأئمة. Shamni Rahmatullah alayhi says, Shamni Rahmatullah is a muhaddis. He says the tadlis in hadith is haram. Means according to him, the hadithul mudallis will not be accepted. روي عن وكيع أنه قال لا يحل تدليس الصبي فكيف بتدليس الحديث. And it is reported from Waqi' radiallahu ta'ala anhu that he says making tadlis in garment is not permitted. Then how it would be permitted in hadith? وبالغ شعبة في ذمه, and Shu'bah radiallahu ta'ala anhu has exaggerated in its blame. Shu'bah is also a muhaddis. وقد اختلف العلماء في قبول رواية المدلس, and there are group of ulama to accept reportings of mudallis. فذهب فريق من أهل الحديث والفقه إلى أن التدليس جرح وأن من عرف به لا يقبل حديثه مطلقا. So a group of Ahl Hadith, Muhaddisin and Faqih saying that Tadlis is a jurh, means badness, bad quality in reporter of Hadith. So if anybody known that he is Mudallis, such Hadith of that person will not be accepted, never will be accepted. Waqila yuqbalu, and some other group of muhaddisin says it will be accepted. وذهب الجمهور إلى قبول التدليس من عرف أنه لا يدلس إلا عن ثقة كابن عيينة, وإلى رد من كان يدلس عن الضعفاء وغيرهم حتى ينص على سماعه بقوله سمعت أو حدثنا أو أخبرنا. Okay, and most of muhaddisin, and mazhab of most of muhaddisin is that they are accepting hadith of mudallis who is making that is famous to make tadlis from whom that is siqat, means Zaid is a muhaddis, he makes tadlis in hadith. Why? Because he erased his master name Bakar, because Bakar is thiqat person. Okay, so if any reporter erased any person from the chain of hadith and that erased person is siqat, that time the erased person will be accepted. Okay, means if any reporter is mudallis and he makes tadlis in hadith, when the missing person is siqat, that time accepted. If missing person is siqat and sometimes it will be siqat and not siqat, so that time it won't be accepted. Okay. وذهب الجمهور إلى قبول التدليس من عرف أنه لا يدلس إلا عن ثقات كابن عيينة. As Ibn Uyayna radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he makes tadlis in hadith, but only only with siqat reporters. He erases some siqat reporters. So therefore, most of muhaddisin are saying hadith of Ibn Uyayna will be accepted because he makes tadlis only with siqat. وإلى رد من كان يدلس عن الضعفاء وغيرهم. And muhaddisin are saying